Hello, this is Tom from WCH Group. I'm going to introduce Expandable container house to you. This is sliding window. We have flat screens that's coming inside. The layout inside, we have one bedroom or two bedrooms. It depends on the customer. Also, we have a bathroom which include all the maybe toilets, maybe hand wash bins and shower rooms. Sometimes the customers, they have different countries. We can make many different country standard electric for them. We have Australian standard, European standard, also American standard, the DB box and the socket, the lines. Let's see the bench top. It has very beautiful stone.
Nobody ever knows, nobody ever sees. I left my soul back then, oh I'm too weak. Most nights I pray for you to come home, praying to the Lord, praying for my soul. Now please don't go. Most nights I hardly sleep when I'm alone. Now please don't go. Oh no, I think of you whenever I'm alone. So please don't go. So please don't go. I sent so many messages, you don't reply. Gotta figure out what am I missing, babe. Singing now, oh, oh, and I need you now, I need your love. Cause I don't ever wanna know, don't ever wanna see things change. Cause when I'm living on my own, I wanna take it back and start again. Most nights I pray for you to come home. I'm praying to the Lord, praying for my soul. Now please don't go. Most nights I hardly sleep when I'm alone. Now please don't go. Oh no, I think of you whenever I'm alone. So please don't go. I sent so many messages, you don't reply. I gotta figure out what am I missing, babe. Singing now, oh, oh, and I need you now, I need your love. So please don't go. So please, please don't go. Please don't go. Oh no, I think of you whenever I'm alone. So please don't go. Nobody ever knows, nobody ever sees. I left my soul back then, oh I'm too weak. Most nights I pray